Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre, and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to find the nth term of a geometric sequence, so you can jump straight to any term without listing everything out. If that doesn't make any sense right now, no worries, I'm going to explain it all in this video. Take a deep breath, we're going to go super slow, break it apart step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. So the problem says find the nth term, and we're going to be talking about coffee. I'm a huge coffee lover myself. So we have this individual, Maya, and Maya wants to reduce her caffeine intake. On Monday, she drinks 240 milligrams of caffeine. I think that's like about 2 cups of coffee. I definitely drink a lot more than that. It says each day after that, she aims to consume 75% of the caffeine she had the previous day. So she's looking to kind of drop down 25% every day. Good goal. If Maya starts on Monday, how much caffeine will she consume on Friday? And then right underneath our word problem, we have our formula. So let's go ahead and kind of talk about the situation that we have here. First, let's make sense of our variables. So in this formula, the A value represents our starting amount. So in this case, she starts off with 240 milligrams of caffeine. Our R value represents our ratio. So in this case, it is 75%. However, when we go to plug it into our formula, we can't use it as a percent. So we want to convert that to a decimal. All right, we want 75%, 0.75 relative to the day prior. And then the n is going to represent which value in this pattern, in the sequence that we're looking for. So if we are starting off on Monday, to get to Friday, that's 5 days. So we're going to go ahead and use n equals 5. All right, so let's go ahead and set this up. So a sub 5, that is a label, sub meaning subscript. So a sub 5 equals 240 times the rate, 0.75 to the n. Oh, let me go ahead and plug in n. N is 5 minus 1. All right. From here, I could go ahead and simplify. So 240 times 0.75 to the 4th power. And then from here, I definitely advocate popping that into a calculator. When you pop it into a calculator, depending on how much you're doing in the calculator, maybe you just do the exponent first. You're going to get about 0.3164, and I'm rounding it there. And then so finally, by Friday, she's only consuming about 75.94 milligrams of caffeine, and that's a rounded amount. Let me go ahead and use our approximated symbol. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.